In this video, we will show you how to enable the Disable Absolute Volume feature on Samsung Galaxy S22 to fix volume issues while streaming audio through Bluetooth devices. To begin, pull up the Apps drawer and then tap Settings. Now tap the small search icon just above your profile picture. Type in the word Absolute in the text field. After doing that, you should see the option Disable Absolute Volume. Tap on it and it will bring you to the settings page where you can change its status. Once there, simply tap on the switch next to it and it will immediately be enabled. Now if you wish to know the path to this option, all you need to do is launch Settings. Scroll all the way down and then tap Developer Options. If the Developer Options isn't visible, then you have to enable it first, and we've already published a video on how to do that here in our channel. But once you're inside the developer options, scroll down a bit and you should see the Disable Absolute Volume option in no time. If you want to keep the feature on, you also have to keep the developer options on because it will be disabled if the latter is disabled. But as far as turning on the Disable Absolute Volume is concerned, that's how it's done on your Galaxy S22. We hope that this tutorial can be helpful. Please support us by subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching.